What's up, y'all, fans of Houston? Here's my Casablanca Lady Delta. Obviously not in the best shape because it's been in storage around the years. Not in storage, but just not anywhere safe. It hasn't been anywhere safe, so the paint is all damaged. I'm probably either gonna paint it antique white again or Ferrari red. I'm leaning towards Ferrari red right now because I've had the antique white for long enough, and red is cool. Starting out low. And surprisingly, the bearings are still quiet. And this is literally its first time running in 3 years. I haven't ran this fan in 3 years. Blades are a bit warped, but this fan is a very easy fix. It has all the parts. I'm not worried about fixing it too much because it doesn't really need too much to be fixed. This fan actually comes from the year of bad flywheels, and the flywheel is still perfect. Well, I won't speak too soon, but even if it's not perfect, it's easy to replace a flywheel. Everybody complains about the simplest things. They should collect fans if they don't want to fix them. But yeah, the flywheel is obviously fine on this. The blades are a bit warped. I'm pretty sure I said really fast fan, 15-degree blade pitch. These use the 52-inch motors. These K55 motors have not been detuned. And these Casablanca fans, that was only for the forever fans and contrast style fans, where they made it half a motor for the smaller fans. With Casablanca always kept a full-size motor in every single fan. Back in the 90s and 80s, though, I don't know what the hell Casablanca is doing now. I haven't seen any attractive ceiling fan from Casablanca since the early 2000s. Casablanca really fell off. You know, they'll never be able to make another fan like this. See, what I like with Hunter Originals, the modern ones, is it's barely a change except for the motor. It's a spinner motor in it now, but it's a 212 spinner motor, a good one, an air-cooled one. So if you was able to play with the capacitor in those a little bit, you could probably get it even more powerful than the American ones. But don't be a Wolfram. Don't be a retard about it. Don't explode your fan. He explodes his fans. He destroys his fans. Don't be a Wolfram. You want your fan running smooth like this, stock. Go ahead, shut it off. Thank you all for watching.